Hey everyone, this is Ashley with CT and Rena Digitals. I'm going to show you how to use the face paint overlays in Photoshop. I have open my scarecrow image that I want to use, and here is a scarecrow face PNG that comes with it. You obviously can't just copy and paste this onto their face. Every baby's face is different, it's different sizes, so they all just need to be copied separately and put onto the baby's face. Depending on the look you want, depends on the blending mode you want to use. But to get started, you just need to, you can either do your marquee tool and select it that way, or your lasso tool. I like to use my lasso tool just so I'm not getting pieces of anything that I don't want. Just select it, go up to edit and copy. Go to your image and edit and paste. And you may need to zoom in just to resize it. If you feel like it's a little like you need to shape it a little bit more, you can click on one of your edges over here. And then if you go up to this little icon right here and click on that, you can drag it to fit the eye and on the face a little bit better, because you obviously don't want it sticking off of their face or else it's not going to look realistic. So that looks good for that. Now I want to do the nose. So I'm going to select that, copy, and paste. Resize, and now this one I may want to put on a different blending mode. Maybe. Multiply, normal. Yeah, I'm going to put it on multiply because I think that looks the best. Okay. Cheeks. I'm going to do these one at a time because the way they are laid out might not fit his cheeks. So and you can shape these however you want. I think I'm going to do this on multiply too. Yeah. Okay, grab the other one. Resize. Resize this one a little bit to match, and then I think I'm going to resize the eye just a little. There we go. Okay. One corner of the mouth. And you might want to change it. I like keep moving stuff around because I'm not sure how I want everything to fit, but that's why you should do it just one at a time. See, some of these I'm just leaving in normal mode, other ones I'm changing to multiply blending mode. It just depends on what you're looking for and what looks best. Okay, and then if for some reason they should be dark enough, but if for any reason one of them isn't, you can just duplicate the layer and it's going to make it darker. But I like how that looks. So that is how you use the face overlays.